Hi everybody, it's me, Miss Theresa, and I'm here to do another movement art lesson with you today. Today we are going to do part 2 of our lesson about completing number sentences with rhythm patterns. So in this lesson, we'll be completing number sentences that are equal to 8 to 9 and to 10. So we have a lot of fun things to learn about today. We'll also be learning a little bit about phrasing, making phrases in movement art, but I'll tell you about that soon. You know, the first thing that we need to do is warm up, so let's please stand up, push our chairs in, put our hands by our sides, and get ready to move. Okay, are you guys ready to warm up?
It don't mean a thing. All you got to do is sing. Makes no difference if that rhythm's sweet or hot. Give that rhythm everything, everything you got. Don't mean a thing. All you got to do is swing. Makes no difference if that rhythm's sweet or hot. Give that rhythm everything, everything you've got. Don't mean a thing. All you got to do is swing. If it ain't got that swing, it don't mean a thing. All you got to do is sing. Makes no difference if that rhythm sweet or hot. Give that rhythm everything, everything you got. Don't mean a thing. All you got to do is swing.
Okay, so before we continue with our movement, let's talk a little bit about number sentences. We talked about them last week, but we'll review a little bit. So we know that sometimes number sentences can be called equations, right? And when we have an equation, that means we have an equal sign, and that we need for everything on one side to be the same as everything on the other side of the equal sign. So what we'll do today is we'll find missing numbers in number sentences. And there are number sentences that will equal 8, or will equal 9, or will equal 10 today. So our equation will be incomplete. It will be like 8 plus blank equals 8. Okay, so we know we need 8. If we have equals 8, we need the other side to be the same as 8. So if we have 8 plus blank equals 8, or 8 plus blank equals 8, doing it that way. We have 8 on one side, we have 8 on the other side. So in that blank, we would put a 0 because we don't need to add anything else, right? Okay, so we'll be using rhythm still, our rhythm patterns that stand for different numbers to fill in the blank of our number sentences, okay? So we'll be using moves and rhythms. So we'll be moving to create our rhythm pattern. Now, when we have movement sentences, we call that a phrase, right? So when we have movements that we put more than one thing together, just like in addition, we're putting more than one number together, like 8 and 0. 8 plus 0, 8 plus 0 equals 8, right? So those are some different ideas, some different numbers that we're putting together to mean something. When we use movement, we can also put different ideas together to mean something too. So cool. So let's go ahead and get started completing our number sentences. Stand up, push our chairs in. You know how to get ready. All right, guys, so let's start completing our number sentences and finding the missing numbers. So when we were doing our warm-up, we already learned some kind of number phrases for the numbers 5, 6, and 7. We're also going to do some for the numbers 8, 9, and 10, because that's what our number sentences will equal today. So let's get started by learning some rhythm phrases, right, to stand for our numbers 8, 9, and 10. So for number 8, you guys are with me, right? Y'all can follow along. So number 8, we're going to do a jump with a hand gesture. So we'll do 1, and then our hand gesture will go 2, 3, 4. Then we'll go 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're making like a little circle. Actually, let's do that. 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm doing circle, circle, circle. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay, so that is so the rhythm is ba, 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 ba. Remember what that means. That means we stop clapping and we make sure we're listening. And the moves go at the same time, in the same rhythm, right? So the same timing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Okay. 6, 7, 8. So next we're going to learn a rhythm pattern phrase for the number 9. So our rhythm will be this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clap it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm using the jump as a beat, the landing as a beat, and the slap as a beat too. So 1, 2, we're going to jump. 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to do some finger guns, and we're going to do 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9. Good. Do you guys remember 8? Let's do 8 and then 9 together. Ready? So 8 went 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, wait. 2, 3, 4. That's tricky. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then 9 went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Whew! Okay, now we just have to learn 1 for 10. So you already learned part of it, actually, for the number 5 earlier, and we just did it in 9 too. So we'll do 2 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we know 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. That's a number sentence, right? Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so now we know our 8s and our 9s and our 10s. Let's go ahead and get started working on some of these number sentences, checking them out. So remember, we'll see the ones that, we'll see the picture so you guys can follow along. We'll see pictures of the number sentences and where the blanks are, where we fill in the blank. So our first one that we're going to work on is 8 plus blank equals 8, okay? So you guys remember our 8. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we need a move for the plus. So last time we did a jump, but I was thinking this time we could add a gesture. That kind of looks like a plus sign, right? So we can jump and add that gesture at the same time. Plus, now for the blank, we'll think of what. We'll still do that gesture for what. And then equals, we did a slide, but let's add a gesture with our arms to look like equal signs too. Equals, yeah, and then we'll do 8 again. We know that we'll always do 8 for these, right, at the end. So we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so we know we need things to be equal on this side and this side, right, with the equal sign. So 8 plus what other number? How many more moves do we need to do to get to 8? 0, because 8 and 8 are already equal. So we'll do a 0 move in the blank. Let's do a 0. 0. One more time. 0. Excellent. Okay, you guys with me? Okay, so we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 0 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Okay, 7 plus what equals 8? So instead of completing all of these numbers that we did for 8, we'll just do 7 of them, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Plus what equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 7 plus what equals 8? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many more moves do we need to complete the number phrase that we did for 7? We only have one more move left to do, just that one, right? So we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus, we're going to do that one move, 1 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do 6 plus what equals 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We stop at 6. Plus what equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many moves did we have left? 7. that's one move. 8, that's 2 moves, so we know we need to add 2. Plus 1, 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very good. Okay, moving on. Let's try 5 plus what equals 8? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Plus what equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you know? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how many more moves we need to get to 8. So we'll keep counting from 5. 6, that's 1. 7, that's 2. 8, that's 3. Aha, so 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doing good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus what equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see how many more moves we need to do. So we stopped counting at 4, so we'll keep counting. 5, that's 1. 6, that's 2. 7, that's 3. 8, that's 4. Aha, so 4 plus 4 equals 8. Right. 1, 2, 3, 4 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Doing so good. Moving on to 3 plus what equals 8. Here we go. 1, 2, 3 plus what equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see. Moving back and forth. I hope you guys have enough room. I hope you're moving safely. Okay, we're doing 3 plus what equals 8? 1, 2, 3 plus what equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's see. So we have 1, 2, 3. Let's see how many more moves we need to do. We're going to keep counting. 4, 5. I'm using my fingers to help me. 6, 7, 8. So we know 3 plus 5 equals 8. And we might remember from when we did 5 plus what equals 8 that the answer was 3, so they can switch around. Okay, so let's complete the number sentence. 1, 2, 3 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job, guys. Okay, now since we've already done 6 plus 2 equals 8, we know that 2 plus 6 also equals 8. So we're not going to do that one for right now. Since we've already done 7 plus 1 equals 8, then we know that 1 plus 7 equals 8. So we won't do that one right now either, but let's move on to our 9s. Do you guys remember your phrase for 9? Okay, we have a rhythm pattern phrase for 9. So it went, the rhythm pattern was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You guys remember that? Let's try it again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Okay, let's do some of these 9 number sentences. So we'll start with 9 plus what equals 9? Well, I think you guys will know already, so let's just do the whole thing without doing the what part. Okay, we'll go ahead and solve it right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 0 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good, boys and girls. All right, let's try 8 plus what equals 9. So we know how to do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Aha. Plus what equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many more moves do we need to complete to make that equal on this side to this side? 8 plus what equals 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many more moves do we need? 9. So we know 8 plus 1 equals 9. Well, not 9 moves. We just need one more move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 1 equals 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Aha. All right, let's try 7 plus what equals 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus what equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many more moves do we need to do? That's right, we need to do 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 plus 2 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Very good. Okay, let's try 6 plus what equals 9. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus what equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 1, 2, 3 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Aha. 5 plus what equals 9? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus what equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many moves was that? That was 4 moves. 6, 7, 8, 9. Aha, so we know 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus 1, 2, 3, 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Wow, great job, boys and girls. So good. So awesome. So let's move on because we're kind of running out of time. We're going to move on to 10 and we'll solve a few of these for the number 10. So we're filling in the blanks. Yep. Remember our 10, that's easy to remember because it's just 2 5s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Aha. So let's do together. We know 10 plus what equals 10. Ready, set, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 plus 0, we know, equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, we'll skip some. Let's think about, well, we already know 5 plus what equals 5. Let's start with that one. That one's easy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 plus, what is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Awesome job. So glad you guys know that one. Okay, let's try one that's a little bit harder. Let's do 2 plus what equals 10. Okay, so we start off with just 2 moves, right? 1, 2, plus what equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's see. 1, 2, let's complete our phrase. So we'll count these numbers. We need 1 move, 2 move. Oh, messed up. Okay, so we have 1, 2, we jump and then land, that's a move. So that's 1 move, 2 moves, 3 moves, 4 moves, 5 moves, 6 moves, 7 moves, 8 moves. That's 8 moves that we need to add to 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oop, nope. 1, 2, plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, guys. That's all that we have time for today. I hope you had fun solving number sentences with me using rhythm and phrases. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.